Welcome to Tarot by Lavina, and today I'm going to talk about the essential oils. These are the oils which are made by me, and I am here to tell you some important tips about how to use these oils. You can also learn to make these oils. So we conduct workshops on the oils, oil making workshops. We also sell these products. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about what these oils are and how they can help you in your life. So we have a few oils, that is the money oil, the protection oil, the blockbuster oil, the Van oil and the Obey oil. Now, the money oil is something which people look for. There's nobody in this life who doesn't want money. So if you have blockages in your life, money is not coming to you easily, I would recommend you to use the money oil. But the first and foremost thing is that if you have roadblocks, if you have blockages in your life, then the first step would be to use the blockbuster oil. The blockbuster oil basically clears all your roadblocks, clears all the blockages that are not allowing things to happen in your life. Now, it can be money, it can be love relationships. So, there are things in life which you are yearning for, but they are not coming to you. So, these oils, I will teach you how to use them and how you can achieve a lot of success, a lot of happiness into your life. So we also have the protection oil which you can use during these trying times of the pandemic. There are times when you are so afraid of getting some kind of illness, diseases, so and protection from the evil eye, protection from all the bad that is happening in this life. So, what better way would it be when you have these oils and you can protect yourself from all the bad energies around you? We also have the Van oil, which also is like a road buster, blockbuster oil, but it can also help you to achieve a lot of luxuries and success in your life. So you can also use these oils in combinations in a span of one hour. You can use one oil and you can see the success rate. We also have the obey oil, which where people want others to do what they say. So if you want others to obey you, if you want your children to obey you, or if you want your partner to listen to you, then the obey oil is the oil for you. So you can use these oils and reap the benefits of what you're looking for. We also have the wealth powders and the relationship powders. So we use a combination of herbs and we create these powders in a span of 15 to 20 days. So all these oils and powders go through a process of 2 moon cycles or more, sometimes even 4 moon cycles. Now, this is a process where these oils are cleaned and energized during the new moon and the full moon. And a lot of rituals, a lot of uh, things are performed, like, a lot of symbols are being passed, a lot of mantras, and then we keep these oils in the temple and they get energized also during the new moon and the full moon. Once these oils are ready, they are sealed with the candles, and once they pass through the 2 or the 4 moon cycles, they are ready to be used. So we also do customized oils for people. So if you want me to make an oil for you, that will be energized and cleaned in your name. So if you are looking for any of these solutions for your problems, you can always get back to me and DM me on any of the platforms and get to know about how to go about and do these things for yourself, how to use these oils and how to reap the benefits. Do get back to me and I will be there to help you. Bye bye.